Trading the markets and using eSignal for charting. PHA files contain prefetched market data that speeds up your eSignal application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these eSignal Prefetch data files do and how to manage them. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated PHA file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A PHA file is a prefetched data file used by eSignal, a real-time financial market data and trading platform. This file stores historical or streaming market data to speed up chart loading and analysis. Users encounter it as part of eSignal's local data cache, which is essential for the application's performance. The PHA format is a proprietary binary file designed for high-speed read access by the eSignal application. It likely contains compressed time series data, such as stock prices, in a structure that allows the software to quickly locate and render specific data points on a chart without re-downloading from the server. In most cases, PHA files work best with eSignal created by Intercontinental Exchange, ICE. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows may identify the file, but understanding its content requires the program that uses the data. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your PHA file, then click Open With. Test eSignal if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If you still can't open the PHA file, it's okay. We're dealing with a highly specific PHA file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, letting eSignal manage files. PHA files are managed automatically by eSignal and typically require no user interaction. The application creates updates and reads these prefetch files as needed during normal operation. Avoid manually editing or deleting PHA files unless instructed by eSignal technical support to resolve specific issues. Next, clearing prefetch data. If charts display incorrect data or eSignal performs poorly, clearing prefetch files may help. Close eSignal navigate to its data folder, typically in the user profile, and back up PHA files before deleting them. Restart eSignal, which rebuilds the prefetch cache from current market data. Finally, contacting eSignal support. For specific issues with PHA files, contact eSignal customer support. They can provide guidance on file management, diagnose data corruption issues, and recommend appropriate troubleshooting steps. Maintain an active eSignal subscription for full support access and software updates. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.